So today's guys, this is my
Yeah.
brother. Just be quiet, alright? Okay. We're gonna do a video, but only when we get 10K subscribers. Oh, you know what? Do not try to unlike me. I'll never make a video again. Oh, you want me to Tagalog? Oh, alright.
If you all dislike Kuya Anjo's video, that means you'll never ever see that video again.
Alright, I'll make another video only when we get 10K subscribers.
Woohoo!
Alright,
I'm
say goodbye,
believing
guys.
you.
Bye.